Hello everyone, welcome to TNT for NEET. I'm back with another video with a new topic of laws of motion, and the topic is spring block system. So without wasting time, let's get started. If there is a system having a spring and this is the block, so this is its mean position. The spring constant is K. So if we expand this spring, then the difference between the real position and mean position is x. If we compress the block like this, then the difference between the mean position and the real position is x. So for this there is a formula F is equal to minus kx, where F is equal to force, spring force, you can say spring force, K is equal to spring constant, and the x is expansion or compression. Okay, so for this we take the conditions. So let's start the first condition. If there is a system having a spring constant K and the block having mass 5 kg, if we expand this by 0.5, so what is the force on it? So we apply the formula directly for this. F is equal to minus kx. The value of K is 100 Newton per meter, means 100 into the value of x is 0.5. The answer is 50 Newton. These are very simple questions which we solve within seconds. Okay, F is equal to minus kx, where K is equal to 100 Newton per meter, x is equal to 0.5, so F is equal to 50 Newton. Now we will come to the next condition. If there is a system where the spring constant is 100 Newton per meter and the block having mass 5 kg, so what is the value of x? Here we find the x. Okay, so if the block is expanded, it is here. Okay, so the value of x. For this, first we draw the FBD of 5 kg block. If you want to know how to draw FBD, click on the I button. There is K, X, or you can say F, and in downward side M into G. So F is equal to 5 into 10, means M into G, 5 into 10 is equal to 50. because F is equal to Kx, Kx is equal to 50, x is equal to 50 upon 100 is equal to 1 upon 2. The value of x is equal to 0.5. We can solve it directly like this. Kx is equal to mg, and here we put the value of all and we find the x. Okay, now third condition is there is a system on inclined plane. The angle is 37 degree. The spring constant is K is equal to 100 Newton per meter and having the mass having the value of 5 kilogram. So what is the x? Means find the compression on the spring. Okay, for this first we draw the FBD of the 5 kilogram block. This is the 5 kilogram. If you want to know how to draw the FBD on inclined plane, click on the I button. This is mg, mg cos 37, mg sin 37. This is F. Okay, so F is equal to mg sin 37. Okay, where m is equal to 5 into g is equal to 10 and sin 37 is 3 upon 5. The value of sin 37 is equal to 3 upon 5. Remember this value. Okay, the value of F is equal to 30 Newton. Now we will find the x. F is equal to Kx. X is equal to F upon K. The value of F is 30 Newton and K is equal to 100. So x is equal to 0.3 meter. Okay. In this video we learned about spring block problems. In my next video we will talk about spring cutting. Till then, stay tuned. Best of luck and thank you.